Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to use Walmart's passport photo tool in 2025. Whether you're renewing your passport, applying for a visa, or just need a quick ID photo, this tool makes it easy, affordable, and convenient right from home or in store. Stick around because I'll walk you through every step in just a couple of minutes. First things first, head over to the Walmart website or open the Walmart app on your phone. It's 2025, so everything's optimized for speed. Make sure you're logged in for a smoother experience. Once you're in, navigate to the Photo Services section. It's usually under the Services tab or search for Passport Photo Tool in the search bar. Now, select the Passport Photo option. You'll see a few choices, like uploading an existing photo or using their built-in camera tool. If you're uploading, choose a clear, well-lit photo of your face. Remember, passport photos have strict guidelines, neutral expression, no glasses, and a plain background, so double-check those before proceeding. Next, the tool will guide you through editing. Use the crop feature to get the exact size required, which is typically 2 by 2 inches for US passports. Adjust brightness or contrast if needed, but keep it natural. Once you're happy, preview your photo to ensure it meets all standards. Hit the Process or Order button, and you'll be prompted to pay. Prices are budget-friendly, often around $5 to $10, and you can choose in-store pickup or digital delivery. If you're picking up, select your nearest Walmart location. Finally, after payment, you'll get a confirmation email. If it's in store, head over within the specified time to collect your prints. And that's it. You've just saved time and hassle. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. Always verify the photo guidelines for your specific country or document to avoid any issues. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more everyday hacks. See you next time.